My name is Ankur, and he's my colleague Ashutosh. He's handling the store, and he's the store manager for the store. On this International Happy Pets Day, this is the second year where we are celebrating this Happy Pets Day, and there are around 2,200 plus pets and pet parents participating in this Happy Pets Day. This is a whole day event with some fashion shows, with some competitions, and lots of goodies to be distributed, lots of prizes to be distributed. And the day will be full of fun for pets as well as pet parents. This year, what we thought new is, why don't we engage with the pet parents as well? So last year it was only for pets. This year we have some events for the pet parents as well. So, and coincidentally it coincides with the Friendship Day, which denotes a friendship between ourselves and our pets. So for the 2,000 tickets we sold, the whole money collected goes to the Ziggly Foundation, which is our CSR initiative for the pets. And we serve the pets, stray dogs and NGOs with that money. On this Pets Day, the new thing is we have launched our own in-house brands in the name of Applaud, FurPro and Ziggly Lifestyle. Ziggly Lifestyle is basically about clothes, and FurPro and Applaud are basically dog treats. We will be launching more foods and more clothes in coming months. The other thing we launched is Ziggly Coins, which is one of its kind omni-channel tech platform wherein on every purchase you earn some Ziggly Coins, and we have made it really simple. So it's equivalent, one Ziggly Coin is equal to 1 rupee, and you purchase any product, you earn 1% of the cart value as Ziggly Coins, and that is credited into your account. And why we say omnichannel, that you can earn and burn those points online and offline both. So we are a truly omnichannel tech-enabled platform as a Ziggly, wherein you buy from anywhere and you can return from anywhere. That's the USP we carry, and we are an ecosystem. So basically, unlike other brands, we do everything for pets. So this is a one-stop shop for all pet parents. You don't have to worry. We have best-in-class vets, doctors, and we have best-in-class medical facilities, and we have lot more hospitals coming which are dedicated to vets. So vet hospitals we are coming with, and we are growing at a rate of around 2 stores, 3 stores per month. So it's we are on a expansion mode, and there is lot more to come. So you will be seeing a new website being launched and a new mobile app which will help the customers to track their medical records for the pets online, book an appointment online, and then earn with the discounting engine, a new discounting engine being launched, earn online and burn online. So currently we do have 33 stores. One store we have just added yesterday, that's in Ahmedabad, that's a soft launch. And we estimate to have around 100 stores by end of this year. And next year, the target is to have 200-250 stores in years to come. In Bangalore, we currently have 5 stores.
We have.
Yeah. We currently have 5 stores, and there are a lot more to come.
One hospital is also
launched. Whitefield Hospital is also launched. That's dedicated. That's a totally vet-centric hospital. So we don't have much of the product thing. Obviously, we should have products, but that's a vet-centric hospital. And we have 5 stores. There are more to come. Maybe 2 to 3 stores we are planning to launch in Bangalore as well. But that totally depends on the market size and the market segmentation. We are closely monitoring it, and we will be expanding it based on the market size. We do promote pet adoption.
We have our social media pages, and if somebody is looking for adoption, we take advertisement and we put on our social media pages. Sometimes we put advertisements in our store also. So recently there was a case, some cats were there and they were not finding a home in our store itself. So I'm very happy to share that in our store itself, nearby customer, she was like, I'm adopting her and I'll take care of her. So yeah, this is the kind of platform we are trying to create here, a kind of ecosystem in which pet care is our topmost priority, and our value system is like that. We are working for the overall happiness of the pets and making them happy. So Ziggly, as the name suggests, Ziggly for happy pets. Yeah.
We've come from head office and I am a part of the e-commerce team. I hope you guys are having a lovely time here. Today we are launching a lot of our in-house products. We're coming up with our range of fresh food for dogs. It's made of, we have added 0 preservatives. We're also coming up with a range of cat litter, and for Pro, the range of grooming products for our pets. And at International Happy Pets Day, we are here to we want pet parents to have a good experience with us at our grooming services, enjoy and have a candid conversation with our vets. And I just hope International Happy Pets Day gives a lot of pet parents perspective how Ziggly is trying to revamp the space and make it a better place for pets globally.